This 2-in-1 tool is a must-have for any car owner. It's a game changer. Why you should choose NOVEINN Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Check engine light and OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool. Read and clear stored, pending and permanent engine fault codes. Full 10 OBD2 modes and 9 protocols. Live data, 73 parameters. Freeze frame, EVAP leak test, IM readiness, O2 sensor test, 8 channels, VIN retrieval. Fits 99% of 1996 plus OBD2 vehicles. Accurate 12-volt battery health tester. Precisely test battery CCA, SOH, SOC and internal resistance down to 0.01 megohm. It works with STD, AGM, GEL and EFB batteries. Equipped with dedicated battery clamps for easy terminal connection. Prevent sudden dead batteries and save cost. This all-in-one device combines 2 tools in one. Free YMOBD app with no subscription fees. Seamlessly auto-connects to iPhone and Android devices via Bluetooth. Access practical functions including 0 to 60 meters pH performance test, trip analysis, fuel monitoring and HUD dashboard. Regular OTA updates are provided at no extra cost for lifelong use. Dual usage, app control and standalone screen. Built-in 2.8-inch full-view IPS color screen supports standalone operation without a phone. Features adjustable backlight and wide viewing angle for easy reading. It offers 13 on-device languages, 25 languages via the YMOBD app, and handy F1, F2 shortcut keys. Plug-and-play design works with 5 to 30 volts vehicles. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.